Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. Today's video is about laminate flooring. So recently I have put laminate floorings in one of my spare rooms. My experience is that anyone can get it done quite nicely as long as you have the correct tools and equipment. In this video, I will talk about the general installation process, the details about how much this has cost me, and why, in my opinion, that this is worth doing it by yourself. Regarding the installation process, after you've removed your old floorings and clean up the subfloor underneath, before the new laminate floorings go on, it is recommended to put on a layer of underlay. The one I used has foam on one side as a sound insulator, and the other side has a vapor barrier for blocking moistures from getting into the room. So once that's done, we can start to take laminate floorings out of the box and start to lay them. As you can see, keep in mind that you will also need to put packers at the edge of your flooring systems for contractions and expansions. So with that in mind, we'll keep building our rolls. When you reach the end of each roll, you'll take a new plank out, measure the distance, and take your plank outside and cut it into lengths. Here I have used a tool called Laminate Cutter. You don't have to use this, but I found this much quicker than using a circular saw or a jigsaw, and it produces much less dust. Now, when it comes to corners and turns and the parts that near the door, it can be tricky. My recommendation is to watch other YouTube videos that focus on the techniques. There are plenty of good ones out there, and I won't go into too much details about that in this video. Next, I have installed a piece of transitional strip directly underneath the door frames for smooth transactions between two different floorings. With that completed, this installation is almost done, but you still need to take care of the gaps at the edge of your flooring system. The way I did it, and I think that's the easiest way, is to use edge moldings. This is what I used, a 19 by 19 triangular profile edge molding. It worked well, covers up the gap and looks okay. To install the moldings, as usual, cut them into the desired length and fit them into where you want them to fit. In here I have used a thing called miter box to cut 45-degree angles for the ends that's going into the corners. I then used a pneumatic nail gun to shoot brad nails into the existing kicker plates to secure those edge moldings into place. Just make sure that you don't shoot any nails near your power point and you should be fine. You might also want to paint the moldings, and if there's any gaps or anything like that, just use caulk to cover that up. And that's it. This installation is complete. Now, the cost. I have put together a short list of what I have used and how much they cost me. As you can see, materials has cost me $314. Tools that I used for this installation, such as the jigsaw, the laminate cutter, and compressor, they have cost me in total $506. Overall, including the transportation cost, this installation has cost me $825. However, it is worth mentioning that before I decided to do this myself, I have got a few quotes, and none of the quotes that I received was under $1,000. Also, in total, this project has cost me 8 hours of my time, 3 hours for removal and 5 hours for installation. If I assume that $1,000 is the best quote that I received from contractors, and the tools, I'm gonna sell them for 50% of their brand new value, and that's, as you can see, $253. My total cost for this project will be 314 plus 253 is $567. The difference between this and the $1,000 best quote is $433. Divided by 8 hours of my time spent, I have saved $54 each hours. So in my opinion, if you make less than $54 an hour at your work, then this project is worth doing. Also, note that all these tools you might already have, and if you are doing a larger area, the amount of money that you're going to save is going to be even more. And you are going to learn a new skill, and when it comes to fixing your floorings, you're going to know how to do them because you install them. There are many benefits that can't be explained in dollar figures. So yes, I think this is worth doing it yourself. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.